Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common car question. Where in the world is the EVAP purge valve? If you've got a check engine light and a code pointing to the EVAP system, finding this little part is your first step. So, let's pop the hood and get to it. The purge valve, also known as the canister purge solenoid, is almost always found in the engine bay. Your best bet is to start looking around the intake manifold. Scan that area, and also check near the throttle body. What you're looking for is a small, typically black, plastic component. The biggest giveaway is its connections. It will have two hoses attached to it, and a single electrical connector. One hose comes from the charcoal canister, and the other goes into the intake. Found it. Great. Now, you can test it or replace it. I hope this quick tip helps you out. If it did, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips. See you next time.